Paul here from sunny Queensland, Australia. I've been online for a number of years now trying to get a business going with no success. But after the first 2 weeks within the program, I've been able to add over 100 people with sales already coming through. It's success like I've never experienced, and I can tell you the feeling is really quite amazing after so much frustration. Just by following simple, well laid out steps, anybody can do this. It's hard to describe that feeling. If you're anything like me, you may have joined a number of programs and got stuck somewhere along the way, wondering how to put the next piece of the puzzle together. But within this program, you have people within the community bending over backwards to help you and support you and cheer you on all the way. As a matter of fact, as great as the systems are, the real strength of this whole program is in its community. Freedom through principle-centered leadership is the motto of our mentors, and you really do get a sense and a feel of that once you are inside. I really urge you to take a closer look at this program because the program offers so much more than just a system that anybody could finally succeed with. You will really feel the heart and spirit of the people within this community, and know for sure that they have a burning desire and a mission to empower you so that you are free to live your life, live your dreams on your terms. If this message resonates with you in any way, I urge you to take a much closer look inside. Have a great day.
So I have a treasure to share and have less than a minute to do it. And you don't know me yet, but if you ask anybody that does, they'll tell you that I have never ever told anything in less than a minute, not even a yes or no answer. So here we go. So this is easy. I'll start with the products. They're super high quality, they're fast, they're easy to use, you get step-by-step training, they're affordable, but I don't have time for all that. So I'll just tell them about the leaders. I'll tell them how humbled I am every day by the selflessness and the value and just the support that they give everybody all the time. They always put people before profits. They always have your best interests at heart. Their vision is freedom through principle-centered leadership. We donate to feed hungry children with everything that we do. Okay, I got this. I'll just tell them about the training and support. You can always get in touch with somebody. You can always get help. Telegram, Facebook. We have an hour Zoom meeting every day. We have Monday night Zoom meetings where you can ask questions and get help. Oh, that's a whole lot for a minute. I've got it. I'll just tell them about the community. Every morning we have a daily mastermind. We learn together. We get inspired. It's a great way to start my day. I came here for one product and found this great community of people. And it's truly, even if I didn't use the product, which I love, but even if I didn't use it, I would still stay for the community. It has changed my life. So the short version, I found an amazing community of like-minded people who helped me find my freedom. Come join us.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Billy here. I want to do a really quick testimonial and shout out to HBA. So I've been doing email marketing for a few years now, and originally was looking for a lead generation tool to help me build my email list, and that's how I came across HBA. Now, at first I was definitely skeptical due to the price point, but once I got inside and built my first page, I was just blown away at how fast the pages loaded, how easy they were to build due to them being drag and drop. I was just blown away, and I've been here ever since. So if you're looking for that kind of tool to help you build your email list, you're definitely in the right spot. But HBA now has become more like an all-in-one tool for me, and I literally use it to run my whole business. So you will not regret it. So, definitely get inside. Now, I do want to give a shout out before I finish this testimonial to the community, because I was not looking for a community. But once I got in here, I decided to go in there just to kind of keep, up to date with the software, and was just blown away. Every time, somebody needed, help, somebody was always there. Matter of fact, multiple people was always there. So you just feel the love every time you step inside of this community, and now I'm just hooked. So I'm not going anywhere. And if you're looking for a place like that, a great tool and community, you're in the right spot. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Robin, coming to you from Mississippi. I'm a soon-to-be retired veteran. Before I joined the system, I was struggling to make just a few sales online in a few months, right? And after I plugged in the various strategies you're going to learn in the system, I was able to bring in as many as 35 sales in a single month. And that showed me the importance of having a step-by-step system. So if you're ready to get started, definitely click the join button, plug in, get started with the community, get started with the co-founders, and get ready to have a blast and transform your business.
Hi there, Nevada Howard, coming to you live from the Maryland area. I have been in the online marketing space for over 20 years, and I have literally learned more in the last year than I have learned in my whole 20 years combined, utilizing the training that's on this all-in-one platform. I love the community. I love that they do live trainings, because when you're live, you get to ask questions and dialogue back and forth. And I also love that I get to market my own products and services. I've learned how to do that quite successfully here. So if you are looking for an all-in-one, a place where you can get everything that you need all in one place, this is definitely where you want to be. So don't delay, take action today.
Hey guys, my name is Keisha, and I'm super excited about recording this video because thankful to the training that I've been provided inside this system, I was able to get my system, my all-in-one business set up in literally less than 24 hours, be able to follow the step-by-step training that's provided inside the system, and have my first sale, you guys, with this super simple system. I'm a mom, I have a middle schooler, and so I find myself very, very busy with him, but thankful for this all-in-one system, I'm able to create a full-time income from the comfort of my own home. And so if you're looking for freedom, you definitely want to take a look at what we have here on this page for you.
Hey there, just wanted to come to you real quick and tell you about all of the things that I've learned and the community that I've become part of inside of this business, and the things that it's been able to bring to me through our life. Christy and I have been able to quit our jobs and retire already at the age of 45 and 47. And I'm not saying that you could do that, but we've done this for over 20 years online, and we've worked hard and we've made more and learned more in this community than anything else we've ever done. Talk soon.
What's up, guys? Todd from Arizona. And although I've made over 5 figures with this all-in-one business, I want to talk about something else. I want to talk about heart. The heart of the leadership, of the community, of the owners of this all-in-one business is second to none. They truly care about helping others succeed. Now, one of the greatest things I love about this all-in-one business is that they donate a portion of every sale to feed starving children. Now, to date, they provided over 85,000 meals to kids in need. Now, recently, I was recognized for my contribution and my efforts in providing meals to those children. And when I was notified, I immediately went downstairs and told my daughter, who's a single mom of 4 small children. She lit up like a Christmas tree. To see the look in her face, the pride that she had to know that I was helping to change people and to help change the world, well, that meant the world to me. So if you want to be part of a heart-centered community, a community of servant leaders, then I highly recommend that you check out everything on this page and get started now. You won't regret it, I promise.
It was very simple to follow. I had never really made any money online. By really, I mean I've never really made any money online. I've looked at systems and read, and just could not seem to get started or over some of the hurdles that stops you from actually going through with and creating what you needed. I have now made sales. I've got over 50 people in my that signed up for the membership with my first run, and I have over 244 people in my email list that I send emails out to. I'm really excited about the future, but this video, even to give a shout out, is my first time ever doing this as well. But I tell you, I was so excited. I posted in some of the chats how excited I was and amazed. Anybody can do it. Follow the steps. If you have questions, There are tons of people, tons of support in this group that want to help you succeed as well.
Hi, my name is Kevin. A few years ago, I got started in this all-in-one system. I've been in the home business profession for 44 years, and I was taught by some very successful mentors that taking income-producing action is what produces success. Sure enough, I not only made money my first week with this all-in-one system, but every single week after that. Why? Because I was willing to learn and willing to work. Are you? Because you can do this too. So I recommend that you go for it because you're in the right place at the right time. So this is Kevin. I hope you guys make it a wonderful day and don't let anyone steal your dreams.
Hello there, my friend. My name is Francisco, and today I got a quick testimonial for you for the Home Business Academy. Listen, I've been joining several companies since a while back, right? And in all those companies, I wasn't able to get any good training, any good leadership. I wasn't able to recruit anybody into my business, even if my life depended on it. It wasn't until I found the Home Business Academy that I made the Home Business Academy my home, because their training, their leadership, everything that they do is heart-centered, right? It wasn't until I started watching one of the trainings that they have. It's called the 3 Steps to Irresistible Invitations. When I saw that training and I really learned it to heart, I was able to recruit 11 people in 1 month into my business. Okay, so I'm super excited about that. It's been a really good ride with this company. The leadership, the training, everything about the community is just incredible. And believe me, I was looking for something like this for a long time, and I know that you might be doing the same thing. You should give it a try and see how the company, how the leaders, how the community is going to welcome you with arms wide open. And more than anything, I believe that you're going to make this place your home as well. I'll see you there inside.
I've been online for a little while and using the different systems, and sometimes those systems can be complicated and you have to buy this training and another training and just trying to figure it all out and simplify it. I have a full-time job, so for me, I'm looking for something that's duplicatable and simple and easy to apply every day, because I only have a little bit of time. And after I went through the membership site and the training, wow, it was such an enlightening experience, because I followed the videos and then I went and set up the system just like they did in the training. And in my first 3 days, I had 2 sales, and it was all while I was at work, doing what I do. And I would just so appreciate it. I said, man, this really is simple. Once you get it set up and actually implement the training, the website and the funnel, this showed me how to build a website properly, the funnel, the autoresponder, and going through the ebook, it really taught me how to properly write emails that can get opened up so I can connect with my list that I'm now building. I have over 200 people on my list. I think over like 110 people signed up for my membership site. They're actually in the system now, and they're going through the training. 100 some people, and it's only been 2 weeks now. But my first week, 4 sales all together, and I just really kept it simple and followed the instructions. So I just want to say thanks, Nick, Paul Hutchins, and Mike Hobbs for the Home Business Academy. I love it, and I look forward to working with you guys much longer. Have a great day. Bye.
Has been such a game changer for my business from the moment I started using it. One of the things that I love is being able to have one place that I can send everybody to, regardless of where I happen to be marketing. So whether I'm on Facebook or on my blog or on YouTube, to be able to have one place that I can send everybody to get the education and the processes and the system that they need to be able to generate leads and sales online has been such a gift. I literally, made money while my daughter was in the hospital. It really is very simple. We see a lot of new people coming in. I love sharing it with people because I've shared it with a lot of people. A lot of people have come in and people are just loving it. And it, all of the training and support that you need, even if you're brand new and have never marketed online, is provided here. We have an awesome community, which is a great thing to be a part of as well, where with a lot of heart-centered entrepreneurs that really just go out of their way to help each other. So if somebody's brand new and they have no experience at all, the more experienced marketers will step in and guide them and tell them what their next steps are. But the system is really so simple, and I'm just so grateful to have pages and emails and a whole system in place that now works on my behalf and can work on the behalf of the people that I share it with. I can't thank you enough, and I'm just so grateful to be here.